stay on straight because it's too windy today. And the scarf won't stay on straight because of the same reason. And that's why I don't like wind very much at all. This arm won't stay in the right position. Here we go again at the end. Looks like it's bending his hand on the right side, but it's not. If I had $1 for every time I've already put the hat back on straight, I'd have probably $15 right now. Okay, let's see how tall this one is. The last one was up to my hip. Let's see how tall this one is. This one is waist high. On me, it's waist high. Everything's melting, but it's still cold out here. My feet are getting cold, so I'm going to have to go in. So I can't be out here too much. I can't be in the cold too much.